I'm going to show you how you can change the font or typography on your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have everything ready, you need to go to online store and then click on edit theme right here. Now this should open and you just need to click this gear icon to open the settings, and you should find the typography settings right here. So as you can see, you can set like a preset of a specific font depending on the text. For example, if it's a hidden text, you can set a specific font for that text. Then you can also scroll down and see more settings like the size of that text and much more. As you can see, there are a lot of settings. And let's say you want to change the font of a specific text, for example this one, you can click on it, and then on typography you will see preset. So you can create your own preset right here, so you can apply it to a lot of text much easier. But if you want a custom font for that specific text, you can click on custom and then just select the font you want or any other setting you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.